Okay guys, so I just got back from the studio, spent a couple of days over there working on the bone marrow, getting it together with a new motor. And now I'm back at the shop and I'm going to be working on Brian's Mustang. He just came up with full billet specialties accessory drive for this thing, which is all real nice stuff. And he needed it too, because this is sort of a patch together. That's stock with a one-wire alternator, and this is some aftermarket pump. So a GM pump, I don't know. But either way, the Edelbrock water pump was leaking, starting to seep right there, a little corrosion. This thing was built some time ago, and I think maybe just regular water was in it. But either way, we got a bunch of new stuff we're gonna put in there, and that's the only thing really that we need in the engine compartment. So that's gonna be a cool project coming up very soon. But what I did notice when I got home, when I got to the shop, was what is this? A bunch of boxes from QA1. I'm pretty sure my bump steer issues are resolved. This is a complete rack and pinion conversion along with the front crossmember that QA1 makes. I'm gonna open the boxes right now so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. What it does is it replaces the entire front crossmember where the lower control arms mount, changes the geometry, corrects everything, puts rack in there, and it's all tubular, so it looks cool as hell. And also, I believe it ends up giving me an additional 8 inches of travel, so the car can sit super low. The crossmember does not hang down and hit the ground anymore. I did actually have been pummeling these front control arms for quite a while now. I think I've had this thing together and running for a couple years, and I've hit some jips at unsafe speeds and friggin' got air in this thing a few times. So I told them that if they had an extra set of control arms, I would get those too. And they're in here. I think they're in that big box right now. But right now, let's open them up and see what consists of this kit. We get Sticks McGann to hold this for me. That'll work. Do the big box first, like Christmas, you know? Pretty sure this is the steering rack. This is also obviously the table we were doing body work on. If I can do this the easy way. Does not appear to be. I better get a weapon. Oh yeah. Power rack. I'm happy with that. Oh, upper control arms. Hardware. that thing? It's like it bolts to the frame somehow. I honestly have only seen pictures. So, yeah, very cool. There's a little weight to it. Passenger right, driver left. I believe these are motor mounts. Could be wrong. Nope, they are. QA1. Yep. There's hardware, I believe. Yep. Cool right there. All right, well, I actually cannot wait to get started on this. The more I look at it, the more I think that I'm gonna have to make this work. Heck yeah. All right, guys. Give it the once over twice. Steering rack right there. A couple of cast pieces. I'm gonna have to look at a manual to see what those are for. They actually look like they are Going to be part of the structure for the frame. I believe those are brackets for the motor mounts or upper control arms. Yeah, maybe these go directly through the frame. Yeah, the other side of the motor mount. Did they? Wow, okay. Either way, makes some kind of sense. Those are motor mounts for sure. Those are plates that go in the frame, I believe. New lower control arms, looks like the new design, a little bit different than the other ones. And this whole front cradle. Yeah, I'm pretty jazzed on this. Oh, what are in the boxes? I'm sure it's just hardware. It's pretty heavy. That's sway bar and sway bar links. Seen that before. And this is going to be just hardware, I believe. Oh, installation instructions. Oh yeah, there we go. All the bushings, Heims, hardware. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Bushings, more isolators, big boxes of hardware, more brackets. Kind of keep them all in a little pile. And limiting straps. Okay, I definitely got to check this out. I will definitely be checking out the installation instructions. So, it looks like installation instructions for QA1 part number 52622, 63 through 72, C10 front suspension. Very cool. These instructions can be found in color and expandable at QA1.net. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about this kit, you can definitely find it on QA1. Huh. Seeing some cool stuff. Anyway, all right, you guys. Thanks for checking out the video. I'm not really set up to get involved into this thing right now, but I'm going to try to figure out a way to get it done right away and make a video on the installation. That's it. Thanks for checking it out. I hope you're excited about this. I am definitely excited about it. Upcoming front suspension upgrade for the shop truck, because you know, it's a shop truck. It's got to be upgraded from time to time. It's just what you got to do. Thanks for watching the video, you guys. Thanks for subscribing. Definitely share. That helps me out a lot. And leave comments. Let me know if you've done something like this, if you've had some issues with it, if you've had nothing but good stuff going on. Leave me some comments. Tag me Mobile Tech Lucky on Instagram, or actually on everything. And if I see it, I will definitely respond back. Thanks a lot, you guys. Stay safe out there.